this episode. Today we're diving into a fresh perspective on AI use. And, well, it starts with a bit of a provocative statement. You're not struggling with AI because it's complicated, or because you're not smart. You're struggling because you're using AI wrong.
That's a strong way to put it, but it really hits home. I mean, so many people think the key to mastering AI is just about asking better questions or learning prompt engineering. But that's only part of the story, right?
Exactly. The common advice to ask better questions misses the point entirely. The real power of AI use begins before you even type a prompt. It starts with thinking. And that's what we're unpacking today.
Yeah, it's like people jump straight into the ask phase, hoping to get magic answers. But without a clear thought process beforehand, the results are often random, shallow, or inconsistent. It's not the AI failing, it's the approach that's incomplete.
Right. There's this widespread misconception that mastering prompt engineering, copying prompts, tweaking words, using templates will get you mastery over AI. But that often leads to frustration because the outputs don't meet expectations.
And that's because AI isn't a search engine or a database like Google. It's a thinking amplifier. So if your thinking is fuzzy or incomplete, AI just magnifies that confusion. It's like turning up the volume on a bad signal.
That's a great analogy. And it's why big prompts like write a blog on AI usually produce generic surface level content. The AI isn't failing. The user skipped defining critical parameters like audience, purpose, angle, depth, and outcome.
Exactly. Without that clarity, you're basically asking too early. It's like trying to build a house without a blueprint. You get something, but it's not what you really want.
So this is where the TAJ framework comes in. Think, ask, judge, accomplish. Most people jump straight to ask, skipping think and judge, and then wonder why the results don't work.
Yeah, TAJ isn't just a prompt trick. It's a mindset and process shift. You have to slow down and think first. What do I actually want? Why do I want it? And what will I do with the output? That clarity is the foundation.
Let's take the example from the episode. Instead of write about productivity, think about who you're writing for. Say, working professionals, what your goal is, actionable habits, the format, a 5-step guide, and the tone, practical. Then your prompt becomes create a 5-step actionable productivity guide for working professionals with real examples.
That's a huge difference. It's precise, focused, and aligned with your goal. And it shows how thinking transforms vague asks into clear, actionable requests.
Then comes ask. But here's the catch. Longer prompts don't mean better output. AI doesn't need complexity, it needs clarity. So instead of explain AI in detail, a better prompt is explain AI to a beginner in 5 simple points with real world examples.
Right. AI responds to structure, intent, and clarity, not fancy words or verbosity. That's a subtle but important distinction.
Now, judge is the step most people skip. They take AI output as truth, but AI is fundamentally probabilistic. It predicts based on patterns, not facts. So you have to critically evaluate, is this correct? Is it useful? Does it match my goal?
Without judgment, you risk becoming dependent on AI, just passively consuming whatever it spits out. But with judgment, you maintain control and leverage AI as a powerful assistant.
And finally, accomplish. This is where the rubber meets the road. Many stop at that's a good answer and do nothing. But TAJ is incomplete without applying the output. If AI gives you 10 content ideas, don't just save them. Pick one, create content, publish it. That's how AI use becomes productive.
It's about closing the loop, turning AI's potential into real-world impact. That's the difference between passive use and active mastery.
So to sum up, the old way is ask, get output, done. The TAJ way is think, ask, judge, accomplish. It's not just a new tool or prompt trick. It's a fundamental mindset shift.
And that mindset shift is what empowers users to harness AI's full potential. It's about clarity before asking and accomplishment after asking.
Before we wrap, a quick teaser. Next time, we'll explore how AI's lack of memory is actually an advantage, and why understanding that will change how you use AI forever.
Yeah, that's a fascinating angle. But for now, just remember to pause before you type your next prompt. Think clearly, ask precisely, judge critically, and then accomplish.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope this framework helps you rethink your AI approach and unlocks new possibilities.
Absolutely. Until next time.